Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're excited to share easy and cute kitchen ideas to transform your space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative tips and tutorials. Let's make your kitchen charming and fun together. Covers or strategic placement. Prune and clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. Today, we're diving into the world of adorable and easy to make kitchen items that can instantly elevate your cooking space. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIY enthusiast, creating cute kitchen decor doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. From charming storage solutions to decorative accents, the right touches can make your kitchen a cozy and inviting hub of activity. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of DIY projects and ideas that are simple, budget-friendly, and absolutely adorable. These items not only add a splash of personality but also help keep your kitchen organized and functional. One of the easiest and most charming kitchen decor ideas is transforming mason jars into functional storage containers. They're versatile and perfect for holding everything from spices to utensils. To make them even cuter, decorate the jars with painted labels, ribbons, or washi tape. You can personalize each jar with handwritten tags or cute stickers. Fill them with your favorite herbs or colorful spices to add vibrancy to your countertop. For a rustic touch, leave the jars transparent and fill them with dried herbs or candies. Alternatively, paint the lids in pastel shades or add chalkboard paint to write labels directly on the lids. Mason jars are not only practical, Another delightful idea is creating colorful cupcake holders that double as decor pieces. These holders are perfect for serving cupcakes or muffins in a cute way during breakfast or gatherings. You can craft your own using paper or cardboard, which makes them highly customizable. Use bright, cheerful colors and patterns to match your kitchen's theme. Add small embellishments like stickers, washi tape, or even tiny bows for extra cuteness. For a more durable option, reinforce the paper with waterproof coating or use lightweight plastic containers. These DIY cupcake holders can be stacked or hung on hooks for an interesting display. They're great for parties or everyday use, making your kitchen look vibrant and inviting. Plus, creating these holders is simple and inexpensive, perfect for quick craft sessions. Organizing spices can sometimes be a challenge, but with a cute magnetic spice rack, it becomes an enjoyable part of your kitchen decor. You can repurpose small metal tins or jars and attach magnets to their bottoms. Stick them on a magnetic board or the side of your fridge for easy access. Decorate the tins with cute labels, stickers, or paint to match your kitchen's aesthetic. This setup not only saves space but also adds an adorable touch to your kitchen walls. For an extra DIY element, create a custom magnetic board from scrapbook paper or painted wood, framing it for a polished look. Keep your most used spices within reach, and arrange them in a colorful, eye-catching Adding handmade fabric oven mitts and pot holders is a fantastic way to infuse your kitchen with charm and personality. Choose cheerful fabrics with cute patterns, florals, or playful prints that match your overall decor. Sewing your own oven mitts is straightforward, and you can customize their shapes and sizes. Use soft, heat-resistant fabrics for safety and durability. These handmade items are not only functional but also serve as adorable accents hanging near your stove or oven. Consider adding decorative trims or embroidery for a more personalized touch. If sewing isn't your forte, you can use iron-on patches or fabric glue for simple embellishments. These crafts make excellent gifts too. They're perfect for adding a pop of color and cuteness to your kitchen essentials while being practical. Every time you reach for your oven mitts, you'll be reminded of your creative effort and the cozy vibe you've created. Decorating your kitchen walls with whimsical art and inspiring quotes is a wonderful way to bring positive energy and personality into the space. Create your own wall art using printable templates, chalkboard paint, or hand-lettered signs. Choose quotes like, "Cooking with love," or "Good food, good mood," in playful fonts. Frame your artwork with colorful or vintage-style frames for a charming look. Hang these pieces above your countertop or dining area to make a statement. You can also add small decorative elements like mini chalkboards, hanging utensils, or cute cutouts to enhance the theme. DIY wall art is not only budget-friendly but also highly customizable. It allows you to showcase your personality and sense of humor while making your kitchen feel warm and inviting. Regularly updating the quotes or artwork can refresh the space and keep the decor lively and engaging. A simple yet effective way to add a cute touch to your kitchen is decorating your fruit and vegetable bowls. Use colorful bowls and fill them with fresh produce for a natural pop of color. You can also decorate the bowls themselves with stickers, paint, or fabric wraps to match your decor theme. For example, use floral or polka dot patterns on plain bowls or paint them in pastel shades. Arranging bright fruits like oranges, strawberries, and grapes creates a cheerful, inviting atmosphere. This not only keeps your produce easily accessible but also turns it into a decorative feature. For a more creative approach, display homemade or painted bowls, or even craft your own using clay or papier-mâché. The key is to keep it playful and colorful, transforming everyday kitchen essentials into eye-catching decor. It's a quick, inexpensive way to bring life and freshness into your cooking space. Labels are essential for organization, but they don't have to be boring. Chalkboard labels are a fun and cute solution that can be easily customized for all your kitchen storage needs. Use small chalkboard tags or paint sections of jars, bottles, and containers with chalkboard paint, then write with chalk or chalk markers. Decorate the labels with doodles, borders, or cute fonts to match your style. These labels make it simple to identify ingredients and keep your pantry tidy. Plus, they're reusable. Just erase and rewrite whenever you change contents. For an extra Thank you so much for watching and supporting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We truly appreciate your encouragement. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Stay tuned for more inspiring crafts and decor tips to make your space special.